Here's a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. Safety, versatility, comfort, convenience. It isn't just kid-friendly, it's also parent-perfect. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, remote engine start, leather steering wheel, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. New car test drive highlights: the second row bucket seats are stationary, but the back folds forward and the seat tips up to allow access to the third row, all with the pull of a lever. Open the bins and you can then push the seats into them. This system, now called Super Stow and Go, works superbly well. For a fairly simple invention, it's a masterpiece. Dodge doesn't do middle of the road. Leave average in the dust. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
At Alma Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram, we treat you like family. We're conveniently located at 2280 West Monroe Road in Alma.